HP X360 14 Chromebook Review. Is it the best convertible Chromebook for the price? So the HP X360 14 Chromebook is a 14-inch convertible touchscreen Chromebook with a 360 hinge, meaning you can use it as a regular laptop, a tablet, or a stand mode. It runs the ChromeOS, which aims for portability and flexibility. So let's talk about its pros and cons. So for the pros, it offers portable, lightweight, and flexible design. The 2-in-1 hinge plus a touchscreen makes it very versatile for different use cases. It's also good for light productivity and everyday tasks, which has a decent battery life. It also offers a lot of affordable price point for a convertible touchscreen Chromebook. Now for the cons though, it has limited performance. It's not for heavy workloads or demanding apps. It also has a display and media compromisations. It has a limited storage and it's non-upgradable for the internals, where the many variants come with minimal eMMC storage. And it has a basic audio and webcam features compared to other laptops. So overall, it is a solid convertible Chromebook for students and light everyday users. Ideal if you want portability, touchscreen flexibility, and a machine for browsing, writing documents, video calls, and light multitasking. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.